So in this quick tutorial, we're going to discuss how you can enable the live save of projects so that you are not going to be lose any of the progress that you have been done on the Davinci Resolve software. So all you need to do is just simply open it. And here, for example, I have been working on this project. On the top left corner, you're going to find this option of Davinci Resolve. Just simply click over there. And on this fourth option, you're going to find this option of preferences, or it has a shortcut key as well. You can see it just right there. Just simply tap over there. Now a preferences window has been opened. Here on the top which says system and user, you need to first switch to the user system settings. Just simply click there, and here on this left window, just simply go to this option of project save and load. When you click over there, you can find this option of live save. If it is disabled, just simply enable it and hit save. Now all the projects are going to be saved as the editing has been done, so that you will not going to lose any progress. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.